2 plus 1 equals 3. And the expression becomes 21 divided by 7 multiplied by 3. Then, 7 multiplied by 3 equals 21. Finally, 21 divided by 21 equals 1. But this answer is not correct, because we did not follow the order of operations, which is one of the most important rules in mathematics. The order of operations is commonly known as PEMDAS. In PEMDAS, P stands for parentheses, E stands for exponents, M stands for multiplication, D stands for division, A stands for addition, and S stands for subtraction. According to PEMDAS, in any mathematical expression, we first solve the operations inside the parentheses, then we calculate exponents, then multiplication and division, and finally, addition and subtraction. Remember that multiplication and division have equal priority. Therefore, in any expression that contains both multiplication and division, we move from left to right and perform whichever operation appears first. The same rule also applies to addition and subtraction. So, we solve them from left to right. Now that we understand the order of operations, let's solve the problem from the beginning of the video. But before we do, please like this video, subscribe to the channel, and if you have any questions, leave them in the comments. The expression is 21 divided by 7, multiplied by open parenthesis, 2 plus 1, close parenthesis. In this expression, we have a division, a multiplication, and a pair of parentheses. Inside the parentheses, there is an addition. The multiplication sign is written here. In mathematics, when a number is placed next to parentheses, it means that the number is multiplied by the expression inside the parentheses. However, for simplicity, the multiplication sign is usually not written. According to PEMDAS, we must first solve the operation inside the parentheses. 2 plus 1 equals 3. The expression becomes 21 divided by 7 multiplied by 3. In this expression, we have both multiplication and division. According to PEMDAS, since multiplication and division have equal priority, we solve them from left to right. Now, in this expression, if we move from left to right, we reach the division first. So, we perform the division first, and then we perform the multiplication. 21 divided by 7 equals 3. Finally, 3 multiplied by 3 equals 9, which is our correct answer. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.